Hey everyone, it's Susan here, and let's just plan. Before I get into the two hauls that I just received, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I am a brand new channel. I started this channel the day after Thanksgiving. So, yeah, I would love to have you. So if you would consider subscribing, I would appreciate it very much. All right, so I have an order from an Etsy shop. I'm going to put that to the side, and I'm going to share with you this one sticker book that I got from the Happy Planner, and I just absolutely love it. So it is the Teresa Collins collection from the Happy Planner. It's all about quotes, and I have to say I love the colorway. I love pink, and this is the pink in this particular sticker book is very it's like a blush pink. So it's not a bright pink, it's not a hot pink, it's very soft, and I like it very, very much. The quotes that are in here definitely resonate with me personally. Like it says, plan your best life. I'm all about that, right? I want, at this point in my life, I'm ready to retire in 2.5 years. I am really, really planning for that and the best life that I can possibly have, right? So, be bold. You got this. And this one, I think, is probably my favorite. She designed a life she loved, right? To me, that's really a big reason for planning and doing all that we do with our planners, right? We want to make it easy. We want to make it fun, and I just love that. I just love it. Absolutely love it. I like the fact that there's, different color flowers in here. And here's, the basic headers. Remember, focus today. And then here's some more of the quotes. Yeah, you can and you will, right? Love it. And to me, these are what I find to be inspirational quotes. And to me, it ties in with my faith and, that encouragement to like lift you up. It just kind of goes hand in hand. So I am really, really loving this sticker book. It's beautiful. It's not a big one. It's 95 pieces, but if you're looking for something a little bit different, I can recommend that. It's beautiful. All right, then the second haul that I would like to share with you is from an Etsy shop called Perry Ann's Arts in Things. Perry Ann's Arts in Things on Etsy. She has quite a few products, planner products. I want to say her whole site is planner related. But I shop a lot on Etsy, so I may have that wrong, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. So she did have sales going on, and in fact, way after like Cyber Week. Like I ordered these like a week ago. I can tell you exactly. I ordered them on December 15th. I received them today, which is December 23rd. Now this video may go live in a day or two. But yeah, so yeah, I'm even in December, the middle of December, she had a sale going on. So you might want to check her out. So I have a question. I ordered the mild liners. I would like to know from you. Now, let me kind of back up a little bit. The reason I got these was because obviously I see a lot of planners, creative planners using these on their videos. And, you know, I have quite a large assortment of different types of like Posca paint pens and Faber-Castell and, you know, just a bunch of different types of writing tools. But I had never heard of mild liners before a month ago. Never. So if someone can tell me the difference between the Zebra brand and the Archer and Olive, I honestly don't know. And I don't know if there is a difference. I don't know, you know, if it's worth spending more money. But this set I got for $12. So that I was like, okay, you know what? I can do that. I can definitely, for $12, try out the mild liner. So I have that. Another sticker book that I got because it is, well, it's not even the Happy Planner, but the reason I got it is because it's Maggie Holmes. So I've always loved Maggie Holmes products, right? I'm a scrapbooker from years ago, and her products are very much geared towards flowers. And I'm a flower kind of girl. And so really any product that she has ever come out with, I have loved. I do not buy them all. By any means, I don't even really scrapbook anymore, even though I do December daily. Yeah, but I love the feminine soft touch to her collections. Just, you know, just beautiful. So that's why I got this one from her Etsy shop, just to have something different. Again, you know, I kind of like, I like switching things up a little bit. Now these two, well, this one was $8.25 on sale. These two from the Happy Planner were $8.50 each. $8.50 each. So how could I resist, right? So this is the winter from, I want to say from last year. And, oh, it's, yep, from 2019. And I know that you've all, you know, probably seen this. And if you can hear that, that's my parrot. He wants to be in on the video. So I'm just going to do quick flip through. And you know what? I'll hold it for next season and use it for my December spreads. Super cute, well worth $8.50. And this is the mini Christmas Joy. Also very well worth it. I like the bright colors of this particular sticker book. Nice. I like the alphas. Pretty, right? This right here, my favorite all-time Christmas sticker is this snowman. By far. I love snowmen. So anyway, those are the 3 sticker books that I got from her Etsy shop, along with the mild liners, and then again the stickers from the Happy Planner. And yeah, my collection is definitely growing. I ordered another sticker book holder. I get the black one, like with the white like dots on it, and I have one and it's getting almost full, and I've ordered another one. I'm waiting for that order to come in, and I do have a few orders still I'm still waiting for. So yeah, but this is all good. It's fun. I'm making videos now for 2021 and sharing my planners. Those will start probably next week. And so I'm excited to share with you the planners, how I'm going to use them, and that type of thing. So please leave me a comment. Just say hi if you want to just say hi. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and have a blessed week. All right, bye-bye, everybody.